everyone, on this series we are going to build this application. It's a Bitcoin tracker. Here you are going to learn how to fetch data from the web using an API and how to display this graph. So let's build it. I'm going to start from scratch. I have here the application that comes with Flutter. You can see. Now I'm going to change this title to Bitcoin Tracker. And remove these comments. Here I'm going to change the banner status. I don't like that banner, so I'm going to place it as false and remove this class because we are going to create our own. Remove here as well and put home screen. That's the name of the widget we are going to create. Now create a new folder called screens and inside a new file. This file is going to be home_screen.dart. Here create a stateless widget and call it home_screen. Import material.dart. And replace this container with a Skyfall widget. Here you can import it, save it, and let's run it. And you can see here I'm already importing this widget. Now we can start working on this screen. So remove the app bar, we are not going to use it. And inside the container, put a declaration, and it's a box declaration. With a gradient. And it's a linear gradient. It begins at the top left alignment and it ends at the bottom right alignment. As colors, it takes an array, and the first color is colors.gray 500 to start at light gray. And the end color is colors.black. Like this. We can save it and check how it looks. Okay, you can see here the gradient, and I think it looks fine. Now put as this container child a colon. With the children put on top and text. With the text Bitcoin tracker. And the style, text style, with the font size 50, and the color colors.yellow. Let's save it and check how it looks. So as you can see, it doesn't take the full width, so we need to put the cross-axis alignment as stretch. And we can check it now, and it takes the full width. But this text is on top, so we need to give some space, so put inside a safe area. So safe area, and you can see now it has some space. Now we can give some more space with a size box here and put the height as 20. Okay, let's check it again, and it looks better. Now let's center. So go to the text widget and put it inside a center widget. And let's see, and it looks fine. Now let's continue. I'm going to create two widgets, one to display the graph with the historical value and another one to display the current value. So I'm going to call here the historical price and then the current price widget. Okay, create a new folder, call the widget, and inside this folder create a file called historical price widget.dart. And it's going to be a stateless widget, and the name is historical price widget. Import material.dart and replace this container with a text. That's a placeholder for now. We will change it later. So pass the string historical price and the style. Because the background is dark, we need to put it as white to see it better. So the style is going to be font size 50 as well, and the colors dot white. Save it. We can copy to create the other widget, so create a new file and call it current price widget.dart. Paste it here and change the name to current price widget and change the text to current price. Okay, save it, and now we can import it. Import this one, and I made a typo here. Just copy the name and paste it here. And you can see here we are importing the right widgets. Now we can fetch the data from the API, and I'm going to do that in the next video. So thanks guys for watching. If you don't want to miss the next video, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. See you in the next one.